Hi, welcome to Willowbrook Apiaries. We're up at one of our remote locations to mark the queens in hive number 1 and hive number 2. And we have found a queen in both, so that is good news. That means we've got 2 viable options to make it through the year here. Follow along. Some pretty good coverage. We do have the queen right here. That's it. Slowly remove the plunger. Let that paint dry. And back in we'll go. So she is laying up this frame with fresh eggs. Doing a beautiful pattern, beautiful job. All right, in this top box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half frames of coverage. I'm gonna remove this top box and check the next one down. Looks like we've got 1, 2, maybe 3 frames of coverage in this hive. Here we've got the queen right here. Go ahead and catch her, get her marked. Gotta get her to flip around the other way. There we go. That's all it takes. One little dot. Back the plunger away so we don't squish the queen. And we'll give her a minute to let that dry. All right, so here's what we found. In the white hive, we've got only 4.5 frames of coverage. So really I should be pulling the top box off. In the green box, we have 3 frames of coverage. Found the queen in both. White box should be a Cutic queen. Green box is of unknown origin, probably Italian, based off from the fact that they're being managed honeybees. Actually, I could reach out to that homeowner, that beekeeper, and ask. He probably knows, and then I would know the origin of that queen. But we went ahead and marked both and rearranged so there's less empty frames in the bottom that need to be drawn out, and more drawn out frames so the queens can start really laying that up and filling up the hive. So yeah, Willowbrook Farms, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.